Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of JailBreak Overlander. I'm Richie. This is JailBreak. Today we're going to do a how-to tech video. I'm going to show you how to use a Speedy Bleed to bleed your brakes. I drive a 97 Toyota Land Cruiser, and Land Cruisers are notorious for the brakes being bound with air. It's almost impossible to bleed them. I've used every single method I could possibly think of, including bringing them to high-tech shops and having them vacuum bled, and it still didn't work. Well, under $100, I found a device that allows you to bleed your brakes by yourself, fairly straightforward, to the best of your ability. So check this out. Okay, this is the Speedy Bleed. It comes with the container to hold the brake fluid. It has a hose that goes to your master cylinder with a aluminum billet adapter with an O-ring and clamps that go to your particular master cylinder. I have it for a Toyota because I drive a Toyota. And then it has a hose with a regulator and a pressure gauge that connects to your tire. And I'm going to show you how that works right now. First thing is throw on a pair of gloves. Brake fluid is highly corrosive, and try not to spill it under the hood. Pull your master cylinder cap off. Take the Speedy Bleed aluminum cap with the O-ring, gently press it in. It'll pop right in. And then set the 3 wing nuts and make sure it's secure. Now, take the reservoir, remove the cap, make sure you don't have it pressurized to your tire yet, and fill it to the line at the top with brake fluid, whatever brake fluid your vehicle needs. Once the reservoir is full, securely put the cap on. Make sure the bottle is in a place where it can't tip over. And take the regulator hose, put that in a place where you can easily see it. Take your valve air stem cap off and place the adapter on and lock it in position. The system is now pressurized. Double check everything, make sure there's no leaks. Good to go, looks good. Nice. On top of the regulator knob, there's a large plus or minus. Turn that to the plus side slowly. You want about 10 to 12 pounds of pressure. That's all you need. Bam. Now it's time to double check. I double check everything a lot. And under the truck we go. Go to the furthest away brake caliper, rear passenger side. Take a rubber hose into whatever bucket you're going to bleed this into. Open your bleeder and it will start flowing nicely. Look at that. Take out as much brake fluid as you think you need. My truck's already been bled for the most part, so I'm fairly good to go. Move to the next closest to the master cylinder and repeat till you do all 4 sides. If you have to refill the container, make sure you remove the valve from your tire first, or this will be pressurized and you will be wearing brake fluid. Nobody likes that. Make sure of that. Put it back on, repeat the same process, and continue bleeding till you are done, son. This entire setup for $99 was well worth it to me. It's really well made. It works incredibly simply. There's a quick connect, so you can use this on multiple vehicles if you happen to have multiple vehicles. And for the price, the reward was well worth it, in my opinion. Great stuff. I'll try to leave a link in the comment section below so you can pick one up yourself. I have zero affiliation with this company, just so you know. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below. I am out.